Let's make a flower using Model Magic. The first step is to choose two colors, one for the center and one for the petals. Pick one color and form a ball or sphere. This will be the center of your flower. Next, take your second color and create at least 5 small spheres. These will become your petals. It's okay if they're not all exactly the same. Some could be smaller, some could be larger, but I have found that you definitely need at least 5. Sometimes you may need more. To make a good ball or sphere, you can use your fingertips, your palms, and also a flat surface such as the table. Try to get them as round as you can. Once you have all of your pieces, now you're going to flatten out each ball. I like to start with the center and use my fingertips. I press down so I have a mini pancake. I'm going to do this to all of my pieces, the center and all of my petals. Okay, now you're going to take your petal pieces and place them on top of the center. You can overlap these, and if you don't use all of your petals, that's totally fine. Once all your petals are on, you're going to flip it over. There it is. Now you can do some other things to the center of the flower. You could add another sphere and place that on top in the center. You could use the same color, or you could choose a different color. To give your flower some extra pizzazz, you can use one of the carving tools. You can poke the center and leave behind a bunch of little holes that will give this a nice textured finish. There's so many options with this one. I hope you have a blast creating your own Model Magic flowers.